In Shambhavi, it is your consciousness is merged with God consciousness. In Hatha Yoga, there is a mudra called Shambhavi Mudra. They say it is the most superior mudra, that is called Shambhavi Mudra. And what they make a Hatha Yogi to practice is raise his eyes like this to the third eye. Both the eyes, left and right, to this. And they initially start with few seconds, because otherwise he will have a headache. But as a Shiva Yogi, you will find that during meditation, some of you who are receiving Shakti which I am sending in totality, because to receive in totality, you will have to let your logic mind rest. So if anyone is just receiving with total purity, they will find that Shambhavi will happen automatically. And as a matter of fact, the Shiva Yogi, he likes to remain in that state rather than remaining in this state. Because this is the stage when the consciousness is one with the God consciousness, and the moment it happens, the pineal gland, it starts dripping the divine nectar. It is mentioned in the scriptures कि शिव योगी के कपाल से हर क्षण अमृत की बूंद टपकती है और शिव योगी उस अमृत का पान करके अमर हो जाता है. So it is that divine nectar which keep on dripping. And in the medical science, we have found, because when this nectar is dripping after receiving Shambhavi initiation, the Shiva Yogi sadhak is always in a state of bliss and tranquility, which was not present earlier, but he is experiencing a deep state of tranquility. And when I was interacting with medical doctors, I said what I'm experiencing is that this is again a secretion of certain hormones, a very, very high level of vibrations. And the effect of this secretion is that the secretion of my other endocrine glands is also activated, the positive secretions. My other endocrine glands are becoming more healthier. And this tranquility, that Satchit Ananda, this word tranquility, from there the medicine people, they derive the word tranquilizer. Tranquilizer is a medicine which is given in psychosomatic diseases. If a person is very much depressed state or hyper or schizophrenic or whatever is that, these tranquilizers are given to calm that person. And one of the very famous tranquilizer, they call it Valium. Valium, anyone? And the side effect of Valium is, the side effect of the tranquilizer is that if a person is eating for a longer time, he becomes a human cabbage. All his senses will be destroyed. But the most interesting part is that a natural secretion of Valium takes place within. वो जो अमृत बोलते हैं, अमृत जो टपकता है, one ingredient is Valium, and the doctors, the panel of doctors, they are independent. They are not Shiva yogis. They are those who are carrying out the clinical studies on Shiva Yoga sadhana, how the miraculous healing is taking place. They found that after a deep level of Shiva Yoga sadhana, when a sadhak reaches to the level of Shambhavi, the Valium effect starts within the body. Now this Valium which you secrete is wonderful. It has no harmful effect. But same if we create a chemical structure, it has the harmful effect. Similarly, the corticosteroids, it is when the endocrine system is secreting, it is enhancing our recovery and defense system. But if the same chemical structure is taken from outside as a medicine, that suppresses our system, immune system and all that.